This is Barry Johnson of Easy Computer Solution, and today we're going to talk about the Doogee DJ Aries smartwatch. Let's go. Wow, so for $50, the DJ Aries is definitely packed full of specs. It has long battery life, it has 24/7 support for blood oxygen levels and heart monitoring, and it also is waterproof up to 30 meters. So picking up the device, you're met with a beautiful display, also beautiful casing around it. You also have easy access to your current status, like number of steps, heart rate, or what have you. And then you have training, which I'm going to blur out because that's one of the cons right now. The training app or training, whether you select different sports, doesn't really work that well in its current state. So to give you an example, you may be doing nothing and have a much more detailed report of what you're doing than if you're in the training app. The heart monitor works perfectly, as well as the blood oxygen level. Sleep tracking is not working correctly right now, but the weather app is working well. Music works extremely well. So let's say, for instance, you have a track playing, just hit the arrow button to the left, hit the back, I'm back on the track. I can tell the track to play. This was for my own benefit. I can't play this on YouTube right now, so you'll just hear the normal background music. But it works extremely well, so I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Really good battery life with this DJ Aries. Messaging works extremely well as well. It has, a history. You can go in and look at your history. You can delete your history. Shout out to Savage Scientist. And you got a stopwatch that works pretty decent, along with a timer. The QR code is just for downloading the app, but you have your basic settings and information about the watch. But I will say that the watch has been pretty good experience. But right now, for $50, it's a tough sell because it has all these pros, but when you look at some of the issues, like not being able to track your workouts properly, that the other competitors have, make this, a tough sell. So overall, I would say it's a great watch. However, the other competitors have the other things working currently. So with that, be easy.